Here at Uson, we often get asked, what is a 1 CCM leak? I'm Jonathan Cole, the Director of Global Sales, and I'm in the Uson workshop today for a demonstration. Here we have the Sprint MD generating a 5 psi pressure. I'm going through a variable orifice, which is generating a leak. I'm measuring the flow rate with my flow meter and generating a bubble. So in this bubble, I have an 1/8 inch diameter needle, which is generating a bubble that's about once every second. If I increase my variable orifice, it will generate a larger leak rate, and you'll see that the rate of the bubble is increased. So go ahead, invite you to go to our comments and take a guess at what do you think that leak rate is, and we'll post our answer tomorrow.